In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails on Gmail, a handy tool to keep your inbox free from unwanted messages. Email is an indispensable part of our daily lives, but sometimes it can get cluttered with messages we don't want or need. Fortunately, Gmail offers a straightforward way to block and prevent those pesky emails from reaching your inbox. Let's walk through this process together to help you gain more control over your email experience. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening up your Gmail on your computer. You can do this by navigating to your internet browser and typing in the Gmail URL, or simply clicking on the Gmail icon if you have a shortcut. Once there, log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Make sure you have easy access to your account to keep things smooth and seamless. Once you're in, head to your inbox where you'll see all your received emails. Browse through and find the email from the sender you wish to block. Now, this is where the magic begins. Click on the email to open it. This step is crucial because we need to access specific options that are only visible when the email is open. Take a moment to scan through the message if you want, but our primary focus is to block the sender to prevent future messages. With the email open, look towards the top right corner. You're looking for a three-dot menu. This might also be referred to as an options or more menu by some. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these options, you'll see Block Sender's Name. Click on this option. By doing so, Gmail will ensure that any future emails from this sender will be automatically moved to your spam folder, alleviating any clutter in your primary inbox. It's important to note that blocking an email doesn't send a notification to the sender, so you can rest easy knowing this action is discreet. However, if you ever decide to unblock this sender, you can revert this action by following similar steps. Just open an email from your spam folder from this sender and use the same three-dot menu to unblock them. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your emails on Gmail. This process is perfect for maintaining a cleaner, more organized inbox, allowing you to focus on the emails that truly matter. If you ever feel like there's too much coming in, revisiting this method is always a good idea. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check other guides that might be useful. Happy emailing!